Good morning, students. Welcome to the today's session. In this session, we will see worksheet 2 problems along with their key, right? So in this algebra chapter, based on the basics of algebra, we have this worksheet. Let us see first question. Yeah, here we have the first one. In this, he is asking write all the terms of each of the following algebraic expressions. Here we have totally 10 problems. We will discuss one by one. First one, if you see 2 minus 5x is there. This is the expression. In this, the terms he is asking. Generally, terms of the expression are separated by plus or minus symbol. So here 2 is a term, 5x is a term. These two are separated by minus symbol, right? So the terms of this expression are 2 and minus 5x, because 5 is a negative number, that's why minus 5x we can say. So if you see the key for that, here you have first question, first problem, 2 comma minus 5x is the are the terms of first expression. Now let us see the second question, a plus 2b plus 3c. In this expression we have a one single term, 2b is a single term, 3c is also a single term. So total 3 terms are there. Those 3 terms are positive numbers only, plus only there in between them. That's why the terms of the expression are a, 2b and 3c. Let us check the key here. Yeah, you can observe here second one, a, 2b and 3c, right? Now question number 3 is 2p minus 3q plus 4 by 5r. Here the terms are 2p minus 3q and 4 by 5r, isn't it? Let us check here, 2p comma minus 3q comma 4 by 5r, right? So now fourth question, 3 minus 2x plus 5x square. So in this the terms are 3 minus 2x and 5x square, isn't it? Fourth question, 3 comma minus 2x comma 5x square. In a same manner, fifth one has 1 comma minus 8xyz. Sixth one has 2p square minus 3pq plus q square plus 1 is there. The terms of this expression are 2p square comma minus 3pq comma q square comma 1. Yeah, here you can check those all terms of sixth question. Now seventh one, 3x square is a term, minus 2 by x is a term, 6 by x square and 8 are the terms of this expression. You can observe the same thing here in the key of question 1, seventh problem. And coming to the eighth one, xyz is a term, 2 by x square minus 3xy square, 7z cube and minus x. Totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there in this eighth expression. Yes, let us check here eighth question, xyz 2 by x square minus 3xy square, 7z cube and minus x. Totally here we have 5 terms, right? Now the ninth one contains totally 4 terms. They are m cube minus 5n power 4 plus p power 5 minus 3mn p, right? In a same manner, the 10th one has y square comma minus 3y cube comma 2y comma minus 6. Let us check here, right? So these are the terms of the given algebraic expressions, right? So I hope you have written all these terms for all those Roman problems in the first question. This is the key for question number 1. Is it clear? Now let us go to the second question. Yes, in this question he is asking, identify monomials, binomials and trinomials from the following. So first we have to revise about those words. Monomials are the algebraic expressions which has only one term, and an algebraic expression containing two terms is a binomial, three terms is a trinomial. So the first one is ABC. This is, in this we have A, B and C, three letters, three variables, but they are connected by into symbol. That's why this is a single term, so that it will be a monomial. And second one contains again A, B, C, but in between them we have plus symbol, so that in this we have three terms. That's why it is a trinomial. Now coming to the third one, minus 7x. Minus 7 is a numerical value and x is a variable. They are connected by into, so that it is a single term. That's why it is a monomial. Coming to the fourth one, 6 plus x. 6 is a term, x is a term. They are connected by plus, so this is a binomial. And in a same manner, fifth question also binomial, because 2a is a term, 3bc is a term. They are connected by plus symbol, so there are two terms in this expression. That's why it is a binomial. And the sixth question also, x square and x are the terms. This is also binomial. Coming to the seventh one, 3xy is a term, 4 is a term. They are connected by divided by again. So if variables and constants are connected by into or divided by symbol, then the total combination gives a single term. That's why seventh question is a monomial. And coming to the eighth one, here also xy square and pq are the two terms. They are connected by into, so this is also monomial. And ninth one, minus 3 a square b square c square is given. There minus 3 is a numerical value, a square b square c square are the variables. They are connected by into, so that this is a monomial. Next, coming to the 10th one, 3 into x, that combination becomes a monomial. And y by 2, this combination also a monomial. So two monomials, two terms are connected by plus, so that here we will have two terms. That's why it will become a binomial. Now coming to the 11th one, 3 into a, this is one term. B divided by 4, this is the second term. 6 alone is a third term. Those three terms are connected by plus symbol. So here we have three terms. That's why it is a trinomial. And 12th question also trinomial. A minus 3x and 6 are the terms in that. And the 13th one, x divided by a into b. X, a and b, these three are connected by into and divided by symbol. That's why totally this is a single term, and c alone is a single term. So two terms are there in this, that's why it is a binomial. And 14th, x divided by 2 is a term, 6 alone is a term. That's why two terms are there here, so that it is a binomial. And 15th question, in that 3 alone is a monomial, I mean single term, y divided by 2 a single term, b alone is a single term. So totally we have 3 single terms here, that's why it will become a trinomial. Understood? So these answers are given here. The key for question number 2, you can observe from in the second question from first bit to 15th, all are given monomial, trinomial, monomial, binomial, like that. So after writing all those answers, you can verify here. This is the key for question number 2, right? Now let us see the third question. Here it is. In this he is asking, write down the coefficient of. So coefficient of something he is asking. Let us see. Coefficient of a in minus 5ab square. So minus 5ab square is the product of minus 5a and b square, isn't it? In this product, except a, the remaining product will become the coefficient of a. Means the coefficient of a in minus 5ab square is minus 5b square. You can see that answer in this key, minus 5b square, isn't it? So now second one, coefficient of p, here we need in minus px. So except p, the remaining part is minus x. That's why for the second question, minus x is the coefficient of p. And the third one, very important, x coefficient we want in minus x. So in minus x, except x, there is no numerical value, there is no other variable, only minus symbol is there. So in such case, its coefficient will become minus 1. Understood? So once you can observe the third answer here in this key. So minus 1 is the coefficient of x, right? Now fourth one, coefficient of x we want in 1 by 3 xy. So except x, the remaining part is 1 by 3 y. And in the same manner, xz, fifth question, xz coefficient we want in minus 3 xyz. So except xz, the remaining part minus 3 y, right? Now sixth one, p coefficient we want in ax square y pz. So p coefficient is ax square y z, except p, the remaining part. And x square y coefficient we want in 8ab x square yz. So except x square y, the remaining part will be 8abz. What is that? 8abz. And question number 8, here y square coefficient we want in minus 6axy square. So except y square, the remaining part is minus 6ax. Coming to the ninth one, xyz coefficient we want in xyz. So xyz coefficient in xyz, there is no other number or other multiple in xyz. That's why here also the symbol is positive. In the question number 3, there is a minus symbol, but here there is no symbol is mentioned. That's why by default that will be a positive number, so that the coefficient of xyz in xyz is 1, right? So now let us see the key for all these problems of question number 3. Here it is. This is the key for question number 3. In this total 9 problems are given, 1 to 9. All the problems coefficients of the variables and combination of variables they asked. So these are the coefficients for those corresponding questions, right? Now let us go to the fourth question. Yes, in this fourth question he is asking just write down the numerical as well as literal coefficient of each of the following monomials. So we have to write the numerical coefficient as well as the literal coefficient. Right, let us see the first one, 9a square b. In this, 9 is the numerical value, a square b is the algebraic value, variable. A square and b are the variables. So other name of variable is literal. Okay, so literal is nothing but variable. That's why first question numerical coefficient is 9 and the remaining part a square b is the literal coefficient. The same thing you can observe in the key of question number 4, 9 comma a square b. Right, these are the numerical as well as literal coefficients. Okay, now in a same manner for the second question, minus 3x square yz. In this, minus 3 is the numerical coefficient and x square yz is the literal coefficient. Is it clear? Next, third one, 2 by 5 apq is the given term. In that, 2 by 5 is numerical coefficient and apq is the literal coefficient. Okay, so the coming to the fourth one, minus 7 by 2 pqr. In that, the numerical value is minus 7 by 2, even though whether it is negative or positive, whatever the number is, minus 7 by 2 will be the numerical value. That's why it is the numerical coefficient, and pqr is the literal coefficient. Coming to the fifth one, minus a cube b square c. So here we need the numerical value. So if there is no number along with the variable, by default we will take 1, and here this term contains minus symbol. That's why minus 1 will be the numerical coefficient here, and a cube b square c will become the literal coefficient. Right, and the last question, xy square z cube. Here also there is no numerical value. That's why the numerical coefficient will be 1 and the literal coefficient is xy square z cube. Right, so now let us see the key for these all. First one, 9 comma a square b. Second one, minus 3 comma x square yz. Third one, 2 by 3 comma apq. Fourth one, minus 7 by 2 comma pqr. Fifth one, minus 1 comma a cube b square c. And the last sixth one, 1 comma xy square z cube. Is it clear? So these are the key, this is the key, and these are the solutions for all the problems from from worksheet 2. Total 4 problems we have discussed in this session. So we will meet in the next session with the remaining problems of worksheet 2. Thank you for the session.